you know, gives you the right shape, because if it's a macaroni or something like that, you just cut it. You can, or ravioli, you work with your fingers. But if you want to do this dough, for example, or pasta, you go through the machine. Yeah. Espresso and cannolo. Cannolo, it's very good. I've had a cannolo at the Red Cross last week, and was very good. Do you like lasagna Francia? Yes. So basically I put this in the oven right now, and it's gonna stay for half an hour. Il cannolo è difficilino, la pasta sì, la pasta è difficile, però mi piace da morire. And so now I use the normal, it's 200, my oven, the temperature is 200 for half an hour. The last 10 minutes use the ventilator, I don't know the name, the air, so the crust is gonna be very crunchy. Are you in Milano right now? Yes, I live in Milano. Rajoute de chorizo, buono. Bello l'impegno che ci metti, grazie. Convention, sorry Barbara, I always forget. So we are going to put our beautiful baby in the oven. Right. 200 is very, very warm. Be careful. Bye, baby. Right? You see, like that. Tac. Bye, baby. See you soon. Yes, thank you. This is not my kitchen because I've done my quarantine to a friend's house, not in my house, because I didn't want to stay alone. And this kitchen is so gorgeous. It's so easy to Kisce la chiamo torta rustica. Si può chiamare anche torta rustica, va benissimo. It's okay. Io la chiamo quiche perché mi piace, in realtà. But so easy to use, you know, it's perfect. You have everything. The table under the oven, which is so easy to use, you see, because you cook here and then you put inside. And here you have your, it's a very good kitchen, very well designed. You like smoothies? Yes. Summer I like to do my own ice cream and ghiaccioli mi faccio. So the ghiaccioli, how you call the ice cream done with ice or with smoothies. I do ghiaccioli with smoothies. Eros Ramazzotti and Tiziano Ferro. Yes, I like it too. So basically now we just need to wait a little bit. I just do a recap for people that just shaved ice. Yes, it's very good. In the summer, you prepare it during summer, and I don't know, like 7, 8, and you have for every day of the week. I do this kind of smoothie, shaved, how you call it, also with fruit. Basically, sono dei ghiaccioli di frutta o di cose. Piacciono da morire, sono golosa. So basically, a recap of the process, and then we just leave the quiche inside and wait. For courgette, for zucchini, 4 zucchine, 1 leek, un porro, olive oil, 3 eggs. If you want, maybe you like more strong, you use 4 eggs. I use 3 eggs. That is my Instagram. You like preparation? am covering the mic, sorry. Oh, sorry. No sound. Silly. I put my thumb. So basically, four zucchini, 4 courgette, 4 zucchine, 1 leek. You cook it with water, no oil, no olive oil, water, so it's lighter. Then for 15 minutes, you see they have not to melt. Basically, we hear you now. Thank you. You cook for 15 minutes the vegetables while you prepare the 3 eggs. You put the 3 eggs in a cup with cheese, parmesan, good parmesan, ricotta, salt, pepper, olive oil. You melt all together. Then you add all the vegetables inside. You prepare. This is your basically the most important part of your quiche. And then you put the quiche in the dough that you prepared before. You put in the oven for half an hour, 200 degrees, done. How did you learn all this? I am an Italian, you know, it's in our DNA. I was raised with pasta. Thank you, Dave. You know, my family, I remember my grandmother cooking when I was, you know, I couldn't wear a fork. I couldn't keep a fork in my hand, but I remember people cooking all around me. So 200 degrees, yes, 200 gradi, yes, 200 degrees. Do you like pizza? Of course, it's one of the thing that I love the most. Pizza, margherita. Hi, Kandavu, hi. You arrive at the end, but here it's waiting. You see, slowly, it's getting ready. You know, Barbara, maybe 2 years ago. One of these days I will also do a pizza scope. And to finish, sorry, I forgot. Now the quiche is in the oven. Napolitana alla romana, no margherita. Yeah, it's that an ambulance. Yeah, we have an hospital, a tent hospital just in front of us. Basically, you prepare the cherry tomato, you cut them, so when the quiche is ready and comes out of the oven, you just garnish the top of it with all your cherry tomato, and it's ready. This is the last thing, because I don't like, as I said, to cook the cherry tomatoes because they melt. You don't see them, and I like to see them. I really like the fresh taste of the cherry tomato. So at the top, I hope you can do a cooking scope, and then I can yes, a good team. We will eat all together. You know, Dave, when I cook, do you remember the lasagna was not so, I mean, was a lasagna for 4 people. I finished the lasagna during my lunch. Can you believe it? You are an excellent eater. Yeah, we can do a good team. We can make a good team for sure. In front of the station, it was very loud. Yeah, living in front of a tent hospital during COVID, it's not a good idea, but it was delicious. I need to be on the term. So, yeah, I hope really we will do something like that soon. My God, Italians come and say, speak in Italian. This is an English scope, questa è una live in inglese. Se non vuoi ascoltare l'inglese puoi anche andare, cioè, no problem. Io parlo come mi pare. Because I know they don't, maybe they don't understand, and they want to hear, but I've always speak in English. Abiti vicino a Fede? Sì, Matteo. Thank you for the video. I watch and try to make it. Yeah, let's try. Let me know if you have any problem. Parlo inglese perché mi piace condividere col mondo. Ho follower americani più che italiani. Italiani non ho molti follower. Thank you for the English. And you know, all the people I know on Periscope, through Periscope, are English speaker. I don't apart from Dani, Giulio Base, Silvia Bonomo, I don't know other Italian Periscoper. I think we are 3 or 4. The other are maybe teenagers. And French, yeah, I know a lot of French.